First, what you want to do is plug your jumper cables in. You see it only goes in one way, and the arrow there is at the top. So push it in. It's kind of hard, but push it all the way in. Once you do that, you go ahead and connect your battery. You want to connect your positive first, as the instructions say, and your negative second. And once you got it connected, the only thing you have to do is turn it on. So you push that power button and you see it going back and forth. You see that light is on, and the jumper light is on right there. So it's going back and forth. So we're going to go ahead and start the vehicle. So once you're done, you just hit the button to turn it off. And you disconnect your negative first, as the instructions say, and then your positive. That's it. That's all to it. This booster got a lot of safety features. So I'm going to show you what happened if you reverse the polarity. I'm going to put the negative on the positive and the positive on the negative. And you're going to notice that this red light comes on right here. It lets you know that you got your polarity reversed, your cable's reversed. And when you turn it on, it just goes right back on. So this thing works really good. You see, I'm trying to turn it on. It goes right back on. All right. Thank you. If you want to purchase any of these things that you've seen in my video, go down there in the description or look in the drop down. I think this is the right side. The camera is reversed, or I'm going to leave it here on the end screen. You can visit my Amazon affiliate store, and I get a small commission if you go through my link. It doesn't cost you a penny. It doesn't cost me a penny. And even when I go and buy things off Amazon, I go to YouTube and try to find another YouTuber or somebody that has affiliate links so I can go through so they can get the commission. So it's that simple. It's not costing you anything. So if you can go to my store, like I said, I'm going to leave a drop down, or it's in the description, or the show here on the screen. And again, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and have a great day.